Now, this is a unit 1, that is Introduction to Computers. Now, as part of this topic, we will be going to discuss all these chapters. Now, what is the objective, introduction, and evolution of computers in the last decade? Please put your phone in mute. I'm getting background noise. Please put your phone in mute mode, please. Yeah. So this is these are the chapters as part of the first topic. Just make a note of this: objective, introduction, evolution of computers in the last decade, and what is the overview of computer system, the types of computers, and basic components of computer system. So these topics we are going to discuss as part of this introduction to computers. Now you're well aware about the computers already. So these topics are not so important, but we will discuss. So introduction, if you look at this, now in the part, the importance of electronics and computers, they play very major role in the developing the nation. So that is the importance of the computers nowadays. It is the combination of, you can say, electronics and computers. The combination of electronics and computers, they play a major role in developing the nation. So that is one point you can make a note. The government of India, it is established, which in 1970, for the growth of the electronics and computers. So the government is promoted the electronics and computers for the growth of the, to develop the nation. So this is the introduction, the two main points we can make a note here. Now, what is the ICT technology here? The evolution of information technology from the last decades. It is in the trends of the development state, the combination of software and hardware. The second point is, it is a ICT is the combination of software and hardware, whereas the government is promoted to growth of the electronics and computers. So later on, it is separated, a separate concept called ICT. It is the development of software and hardware. Now, what is software and what is hardware? The hardware we can physically touch and feel. The hardware, you can say, your mobile device. Your mobile device, you can touch and feel. That is an hardware. So any physical component, if you can touch and feel, that comes under the hardware. And software is, it is a supporting to the hardware, which we cannot touch and feel. So it is a combination of the ICT is a combination of the hardware and software. So this is the introduction part. Then coming to the evolution. Coming to evolution, the ICT has been changed with the support of the internet. The ICT technology, or you can say IT technology, it has changed with the support of internet, that is internet for all, and free phone calls, that is the concept of VoIP, voice over internet protocol. So with this concept, the free phone calls became more popular, and the free software, we can call it as open source softwares, that is a free software, and blogging, the uh, personalized writing, we can call it as the blogging. It is became more popular, and sharing the data, that is called media, that is sharing the data through any devices. You can say CDs or floppy disks, or sharing the data through LAN, local area network. And we can use the DVDs also. So as part of the sharing media, we can make a note of that we can use CDs and floppy disks, and we can use the DVDs. And apart from this, we can use the LAN, local area network, LAN. And one more important here is desktop applications to the web applications. So there are some softwares are available. The softwares which we can store, or which we can install in particular computer, that is personalized to the particular person. So that type of applications are called desktop applications, and web applications which we can access through internet. Just now I said local area network LANs. So these web applications means we can, in short, we can call websites. Websites we can access over the local area network, or over the any other types of networks also available, wide area network, the other types of networks. So these websites we can access uh, networks. We can, in short, we can call networks, that any kinds of network, local area network, wide area network, like that. So this became more popular. The desktop applications example, we can say more popular application is MS Office. We can say Tally, we can say. So these type of applications particular to the computer. If you have personal computer, you can install the MS Office. That is personal, no, to the one particular computer. That is became more popular. Then mobile phone to mini computers. Mobile phones, we can access internet in mobile phones and to the mini computers. So mobile phones are nowadays, they are also having the capability of high speed internet connections. Nowadays, mobile phones are having the 5G network, so they can also access the high speed internet connection. So when comparing to the any other computers, you can also same access. You can also access same kind of high speed internet connections in mini computer also. And we can also have the high end applications, GPS navigation applications, and translation of the speech. Nowadays, the Google is having the uh, translation also, from Telugu to English or English to Telugu, like that. These kind of applications also we can access over the mobile phone, and we can access on the mini computer. Next, social networks. Social networks also we can access nowadays. Is it is become more popular, the social networks. So this is the overview of the, this is the evolution of computers from the last decades. In the introduction part, we discussed 2 points. In the evolution. So the these are the technologies. These are the concepts became they changed the ICT technology very rapidly. So coming to the next concept is overview of the computer system. Now, what exactly the computer they contains? The computer system they contains. So the computer contains. So one component is CPU. That is we can call central processing unit. Central processing unit. Now this is the main part of the computers. Now this component is responsible. Which one? The CPU. CPU is responsible for to execute the instructions. CPU is responsible to execute instructions. So these instructions are organized in programs. Here instruction means instructions you can take any kind of your doubt, any doubt you have, that if you ask the computer understands it is an instruction, any kind of statement, the instruction is called. The instructions, these instructions are organized in programs. Here programs means it is a collection of instructions. It's collection of instructions. Programs means. So these programs executed by CPU. These programs executed by CPU. Example, withdraw money from ATM machine. So this is an instruction. Withdraw money from ATM machine. This is the instruction. This is an instruction. Instruction executes by CPU. So this is what exactly the CPU means. Just if you want, you can take a screenshot here. The next part is memory. Memory, you know very well. In your phone also, you will be having a memory. Where we can store our data. Where we can store our data. That is the memory. The storage can be storage can be here permanent. So that is memory. So memories can be fast, the memory can be expensive, or like this also there. So main purpose of the memory is storage. You can say your phone also, you will be having a memory. Your phone, if you take, internal memory is there, and your external memory is there. External memory, that is, you can call your SIM card is an external memory. Example, you can take this one, SIM card. You can say memory, and your USB pen drives. You can say memory. These are external memories. So memory purpose is to store the data. Memory purpose is store the data. Now these are mass storage devices. Mass storage devices you can call your internal disk drives and the tape drives. So they will have the slower in processing, and they have long-term memory. This is mass storage device, we can call them. Next one, input devices. Input devices you can call all the devices which you can attach to the computer, which we can add it to the computer. Input devices. Input devices, all external and internal devices attached to the computer. Example you can call keyboard and mouse. You can call keyboard, mouse, scanner, printer. So these are all devices. These are all devices. So especially we can call keyboard and mouse most popular input device. Most popular input device. And next one, output device. Sorry, just now I said printer is input device. It is actually it is an output device. So here printer is an output device. It is an output device. So you know printer, what is printer is? It's an output device. So these are the these are the this is the overview of the computer system. This comes under the overview of the computer system. CPU, memory, storage device, input device, output device. So these concepts which comes under the computer system. So it computers contains so many parts, but these parts are very important. CPU is very important, memory is very important, storage is very important, input device and output device is very important. Next one is types of computers. Types of computers. So computers, they divided according to size. The computers, if you see, they are size is very small. So divided according to size, and they're divided according to the processing power. You can call divided. One is based on size, and processing power, or you can call computing power. computing power. Which one? The computers. Computers, they divided, I can say classified, divided based on size and processing power, computing power. So, one type of computer is the personal computer. One type of computer is personal computer. These computers are very small in size. The personal computers are in size, they are very small, and they are single user computer. Only one user at a time they can use. User means we are any person. Any person, the computers, they can use only one person at a time. These are personal computers. So one computer, two persons cannot use same time. The size is very small, the personal computers. So that's why it is called a small. And these computers are little cheap, you can call. So inexpensive means little less price. The price is a little less because these are all individual computers. Okay. So these computers are personal computers. Now next one is tower model type of computer. This we can call desktop computers. Generally in our home we will use this type of computers. These computers have the power supply and they have motherboard. They have a storage device. Storage device. Just now we understood that memory. Okay, and the cabinet. The cabinet means a CPU. So this type of all devices are assembled together. The power supply is there. Motherboard will be there. Motherboard is inside the CPU. If you want, you can. If you have a computer, then you can see that motherboard and mass storage devices. You can call a hard disk, and they have a cabinet system. The cabinet means that box. So inside this, these all parts will be available. So this type of computer is called tower model type of computer. And next one is a desktop model. It is also same like a tower model only. And next one is a notebook computers. The notebook computer, their weight is very less. The size is also small and weight also very less. We can say less than 3 kgs, but not even the 3 kgs. It can we contain 2 kgs also and 1 kg also. So this they call lightweight. So 3 kgs we cannot say lightweight, but lightweight here 1 kg or 1.5 kg like that we can say. So these type of computers are called notebook computers. So their size is very small. So size is very small, and the screen is also little small screen that monitor. The processing power will be uh, more high. It is that processing power can be more or it can be less. This type of computers are notebook computers. The next one is a laptop computers. You know very well what is a laptop computers is. The size is also very small. Laptop computer. Portable means you can carry. Portable is you can carry here. So those type of computers are laptop computers. And the sub notebook computers, these are also very light. I mean, lightweight computers and smaller than full size notebook. These computers, sub notebook computers, and a handheld computers are these are also same like a we can say laptop computers, which is very small and size in portable size. And palm top also same palm top and the handheld and laptop. And the next type of computers include we can call very powerful computers. These are all workstations. The workstation is very powerful. And next one is a mini computers, mainframe computers, and supercomputers. So these are all computers. Only one purpose is they classified, they divided only based on size and computing power and portability. Just to make a note, size and computing power and you can say power and portability. Portability, size, computing power, and portability. Based on these three factors, they have been divided. So it's all about the all types of computers, all types of computers. The images you can get it from the websites. How these computers looks like, and what are the internal components. Uh, most of the people, this is English medium actually. Most of the people are Telugu or English. I don't know yet. The university has given me instructions to explain in English. If any person is there rather than Telugu, they don't understand Telugu language. If I speak in Telugu language, that is a problem. So these are types of computers. All these types of computers you can understand. You can see their images. You can see their all internal parts. You can take it from the online any websites. Next concept is basic component of computer systems. Basic component. Now, just before class, we understood computers contain motherboard and it contain CPU and the memory. We say memory is storage. Memory is a storage. We understood that is RAM and ROM. These two parts will be there inside the memory, and we understood that power supply unit is there. So this is the first part. Hard disk for storage. If you look at this computer and this computer you can call tower model, you can call, and you can call desktop computers. So this we understood the cabinet, which we understood it's in a cabinet. So inside these, all these parts will be there. Now, central processing unit, this we can say processor, and this is the motherboard. If you open the CPU, then it contains this motherboard. So this motherboard containing so many parts you can call. This is one part. This is one part. Okay, this is a RAM slot. This is a processor slot. So there are so many components are there. If you're really interested, you can check the motherboard. There's so many parts will be there. Each and every part is having their own job. Every part is they perform the one task, one activity. Next, RAM looks like this. This is a RAM image, and this is a hard disk. Then it is an power supply. We can say this is power supply. You can call here inside. So that is these are the parts. These are the basic components. You can call. You can say basic components, or you can say parts. Basic parts of the computer systems. So in your home, you can check all these parts are there inside the computer or not. The next level of next level discussion is this is very much important. Introduction to operating system. Introduction to operating system. This exam, computer exam, you have to write in English only, man, I guess. You ask the university, those are all questions. I'm a trainer here, so you can approach the university all these questions. Please don't ask me all these questions here. Introduction to operating system. So what is an operating system? If you take your mobile phone is having an operating system. If you take your mobile phone, mobile phone is also having operating system. Operating system. So what is the job of the operating system here? Computer is a it is a combination of the hardware and software. It is a hardware and software. Okay, but this combination, a computer that can complete a task, any activity. This computer. If you take any computer, the computer is a combination of hardware and software. So we are talking about the software here. Operating system means software. So we are talking about what? Software here. So hardware, we are not talking. Software. Now, this software, which is software we are talking? Operating system software. So job, what is the operating system job? What the operating system software job is? It gives the environment. Example, the job of the operating system is to uh, give give the environment to your environment means you can say uh, base, you can say base platform, you can say base platform. Here you can understand with an example. uh, train wanted to stop. It requires platform. It requires a platform. Okay, so without platform the train doesn't stop. So in the same way, so to execute any task or any work, uh, the computers require operating system. So if the bus wanted to stop the vehicle, then bus required a platform, some place, and the train wanted to stop, the train required a platform. A flight wanted to stop, flight requires a platform. The similar way, the operating system wanted to execute all your applications. We are executing, we are using all applications like you can say your WhatsApp, you can say your MS Office, etc., etc. So these applications require an operating system. So example, we have mobile phones are having nowadays, mobile phones having Android operating system, also having the Windows, also having the iOS. So like that. The similar way, our computers also having the operating system. Windows operating systems are there. You can say Linux is there. Okay. So these are all operating systems. So if you don't have the operating system, we cannot execute any application. So without operating system, we cannot execute any operation. So it is not possible to execute or to use applications any applications without the operating system software. So this is a final statement. If you want to use any application, you mandatory, compulsory, you have to have your an operating system in your device. So this diagram showing this diagram is of hardware. This is hardware. This is an operating system, and these both are depend on each other. These both, and these are the application programs. These are the application programs. Now, what's the meaning and definition of the operating system here is here an operating system is a program that acts as interface between user and the computer hardware. Here, interface means we can say is a mediator. Mediator interface means you can say mediator. You can say bridge. The bridge the bridge between user. User means VR. User means what? A person. You can say user means a person. The bridge between user and uh, computer hardware. Hardware components. Hardware components. So this operating system is a bridge between you and the computer hardware. Bridge here means it will understand the all instructions. So example here is popular operating system example. These are all Linux. These are all Linux is there, Windows is there. All these operating system from the last decades. So this is all about the definition of the operating system and where the operating systems are available in the market. Next one, the types of operating systems. Types of operating systems. There are so many types of operating systems are there. It is we can count on these operating systems. It is not so many. These are limited, countable. These are types of operating system based on their based on their how they process the instructions, the environment, how they give the environment. Simple batch operating system is a multi-programming and multiprocessor, desktop, distributed, clustered, real-time, handled. So these are operating system. But all the operating system, these all operating system, the purpose is the bridge between it is user, this is user and this is hardware. This is hardware. So all these operating system is bridge here, bridge between the user and the hardware. You can say the operating system can be simple batch or multi-programming, multi-processor, desktop, any operating system. It is a bridge between. This is a bridge. We can call it. This is a bridge. You can call this is technical word you can use interface. This is what interface. This is an interface. So you can call bridge and you can call interface. Interface between user and the hardware. It is. This is a bridge. This is an interface. Both are same. Yes, simple batch.
Sir, I have some doubt. Please, can you explain on that?
Please put it in chat box, please.
If you don't
This
mind, sir, if you don't mind, actually, I'm Telugu medium. So you are saying all explanation in English. So how did you will understanding?
you please consult the university. They will give you the solution. So university
Yes, sir,
rules.
absolutely right in your side. Because of like Telugu medium, also persons, students also be available now, sir. బట్ అంటే వాళ్ళందరికీ కూడా మీరు ఏం చెప్పాలని చూస్తారు? అంటే
See,
తెలుగు మీడియం కదా సార్, అండ్ తెలుగులో కూడా కొంచెం ఎక్స్ప్లెయినింగ్ అనేది ఉంటే మాకు కూడా మెయిన్ ఈ ఐసిటి కోర్స్ కోసం అనేది నేను చాలా డేస్ నుంచి అనేది వెయిట్ చేస్తున్నాను సార్, రియల్లీ. బట్ ఇప్పుడు సడన్ గా ఇంగ్లీష్ మీడియంలో అనేది ఎక్స్ప్లెయినింగ్ అనేది చేస్తుంటే అది అర్థం అనేది అవ్వట్లేదు సార్. ఎందుకంటే నాకు మెయిన్ అన్ని సబ్జెక్ట్స్ అనేది పర్ఫెక్ట్ అయిపోయినా సార్. ఓన్లీ ఐసిటి మాత్రమే పెండింగ్ అనేది ఉందన్నమాట సార్.
see,
అందుకే కొంచెం తెలుగులో అనేది వివరించగలరు అని అనుకుంటున్నాను సార్.
uh, see here. I will follow the university rules. Okay, the rules if I get, then I'll follow the university rules. So please, you contact the university once. If I get
ఒకసారి
any,
మీరు తెలుగులో అనేది చెప్పగలరు సార్.
uh, please mute your mic. Please mute your mic. See, I will ask. I will ask the university officials. Please, don't put in unmute. I will ask the university. If the university give me the instructions, then I will follow. I am following the university rules and regulations here. No problem. I'll ask the university officials. I'll take care about your concern. So you don't worry. Just ask. You also ask the university officials to explain this subject in Telugu. So please don't misunderstand my lecture here. Okay. So we are understanding the types of operating system.
Hello, sir. Hello. Hello, sir.
See, please, this platform is not for question here. You please try to
Sir,
understand me.
బట్ నేను అన్ని ఇప్పుడు ఈ రోజు జరిగే అన్ని సెషన్స్ అటెండ్ చూశాను, బట్ అన్నిట్లోనూ బోత్ లాంగ్వేజ్ చెప్తున్నారు.
Okay, see, I'll confirm with the university once. Give me some time.
సో నేను ఆల్రెడీ హోస్ట్ సార్ డాక్టర్ బిఆర్ఓలో ఇంకా నేను పెట్టాను, పెడితే వాళ్ళకి ఇంకా రెస్పాన్స్ అవ్వట్లేదు.
That's what
ఆల్రెడీ నేను మెసేజ్ చేశాను సపరేట్లీ, వాళ్ళు రెస్పాన్స్ అవ్వట్లేదు. ఒకసారి మీరు కనెక్ట్ చేయరు కదా.
see, once the class is over, then I'll talk to them. Please give me time. Please give me time.
టుడే క్లాస్ ఇస్ లాస్ట్ సార్, తెలుగు స్టూడెంట్స్.
You can ask permission. You can ask permission, no problem.
సార్ పర్మిషన్ ఏం లేదు, ఆల్రెడీ నేను ఈ రోజు జరిగే బోత్ క్లాసెస్ అన్ని ఇప్పుడు చూశాను కనెక్ట్ చేసి. అందులో ఇంకా అందరూ బోత్ లాంగ్వేజ్ లో చెప్తున్నారు.
Okay, see, it's not the discussion to now. Please give me some time. Okay, I will ask your I'll take your concerns there. I will ask them any extra sessions or anything possible, then I will take. Okay. So we are understanding operating system. We are understanding the types of operating systems. So these are the types of operating systems are there. So all these operating system purposes, they are interface between the user and the computer hardware. The interface between user and the computer hardware. The first one is simple batch operating system. The batch operating system. Now, batch operating system is, in olden days, they used to give the input. Input they used to give on cards or on tape. So these are the input. This is the input. This is called a job. This is called a job. So this type of job or this type of input is called batch. Batch wise they used to give. I mean here in one batch they give 10 jobs. So 10 jobs is one batch. 10 jobs is one batch. 10 jobs is one batch here. Now, what is an advantage of this simple batch operating system is, so there is no interaction between user and the computer. This can say the mono job, is one-way job. So no interaction between user and computer, and no mechanism to prioritize. Yeah, prioritize means priority means which job is first and which one is second. It won't decide. It will not decide. Okay, priority means, so generally priority means what we say, whoever will come first, they execute the first. So it is not like that. There is no mechanism like that. So whoever will come anytime, they can process the job. So there is no mechanism called priority. So you came first, you will not get first. So you may get second, you may get third, you may get fourth anytime. So that is there is no mechanism called priority. Priority mechanism is not there in batch operating system. So this is the batch operating system. Next one is multi-programming. Multi-programming operating system here. You can here one concept is minimize the response time, maximize the CPU usage, minimize the response time, the maximize the CPU usage. So here the operating system, this operating system, it is switches. Switches means change. Here you can call switches means change. It will change to another job immediately. Another job immediately. So it is having the complete so many tasks are there. Here job means we can understand the work. It is an activity. We can call here. We can understand here. Job means an activity, or you can say task. You can say task. You can say task. Example. Open music player. Open music player is an job or task. Open music player is a job or task. And one more task is open website. Open website or news news related website. You can say news website. News website is another job. Okay. So likewise, third job, or you can say task. So these are all called pool. So now it is pool of three jobs. Pool of three jobs. So first one is there, second one is there, and third one is there. That is pool of three jobs. So from these three jobs, now this multi-programming operating system change that we are calling switch. Change between three jobs. Okay. So same time you can open, that is same time you can listen to music, and same time you can read the news from the website. So this switch, you can call this switch or change is very less in time. So this time is called response time here. Response time. So that's what we are understanding here. Response time means your response time is very less. So within fraction of seconds. So within fraction of seconds, the task or work can be completed. So the time, we cannot say that is a very huge time. It's very more time. The time is very less. The response time is very less. We can call. So this is multi-programming operating system. this multi-programming batch operating system we can call. So here the concept is to understand is minimizing the response time. So within fraction of seconds, we can open the music player. Within fraction of seconds, we can read the news. Within fraction of seconds, we can open the other website. So that is maximizing the CPU usage. CPU is not idle. We are extensively, we are, uh, we are extensively using CPU time. Extensively using CPU time. Now now some people you are now listening to class and same time you are doing some other job that is multi programming multi program. Now if you observe yourself, you are doing lot of jobs now. Some people are listening to class and the same time they might be using the chat box.
సార్ కొంచెం క్వశ్చన్ డౌట్స్ ఉన్నాయి అవి అడగొచ్చా ప్లీజ్?
Yes, please.
లైక్ సార్ అంటే కొంచెం ఇది తెలుగులో ఉంది బట్ అండ్ మీరు ఇంగ్లీష్లో చెప్పినైనా పర్లేదు సార్. యాక్చువల్లీ ఇప్పుడు మనం చెప్పుకున్నాము ఇప్పుడు 2 చాప్టర్స్ వరకు అనేది మీరు చెప్పారు. అండ్ ఆపరేటింగ్ విధానం పరిచయం అనేది చెప్పారు. ఓకే. అండ్ దీంట్లో అనేది సెంట్రల్ ప్రాసెసింగ్ యూనిట్ అండ్ ఇప్పుడు ఆపరేటింగ్ సిస్టమ్‌లో విభిన్న రకాలు అనేది ఏ విధంగా ఉంటాయి? దట్ ఈస్ మై ఫస్ట్ క్వెషన్ సార్.
Okay.
And then second question also, sir, కంట్రోల్ ప్యానెల్ ద్వారా నిర్వహింపగల ఆపరేషన్స్ గురించి కూడా తెలుసుకోవాలని ఉంది. అండ్ కంప్యూటర్ భద్రత అంటే ఏమిటి? కంప్యూటర్ సెక్యూరిటీ అండ్ కంప్యూటర్లోని వైరసెస్ విభిన్న రకాలు, సిస్టంలో యాంటీవైరస్లను గుర్తించే పద్ధతులు, లైక్ అందరికీ అందుబాటులో ఉండే సాఫ్ట్వేర్లు, ఐసిటిలో ఉపయోగాలను వివరించండి. అసలు కంప్యూటర్ వాల్ అంటే ఏమిటి, ఏంటి వాటి యొక్క ఉదాహరణ పూర్వకంగా రాయండి. అండ్ అభ్యసనాల్లో ఐసిటి ప్రాముఖ్యతను వివరించండి. ఇవి సార్ నా క్వశ్చన్స్ అనేది.
Please put all those questions in the chat box. I will take a copy. Okay.
సార్ యాక్చువల్లీ నా దగ్గర ఇది కొంచెం సార్ మీ నెంబర్ అనేది నేను నోట్ చేసుకోవచ్చా సార్? ఎందుకంటే నాకు ఇది చాలా ఇంపార్టెంట్ సార్. ఎందుకంటే ఈ సబ్జెక్టు మాత్రం అనేది ఎవ్వరు కూడా నాకు ఆఫ్లైన్ క్లాసెస్కి వెళ్ళినప్పుడు అయినా కానీ సార్ అక్కడ ఎవరు కూడా చెప్పట్లేదు సార్. అయితే లాస్ట్కి ఇంకా ఈరోజు షెడ్యూల్ అనేది ఫిక్స్ అనేది ఉంది కాబట్టి సో నేను డ్యూటీ అనేది ఇంకా లీవ్ అనేది పెట్టుకొని మరి వెయిట్ చేస్తూనే ఉన్నా సార్. మార్నింగ్ నుంచి అనేది 10కి ఓపెన్ చేశారా, ఎప్పుడు ఓపెన్ చేశారు, షెడ్యూల్ ఏంటిది అనేది. బికాస్ కరెక్ట్గా ఇంకా నాకు ఈ టైంకి అనేది వచ్చేసరికి అది మొత్తం అంతా కూడా ఇంగ్లీష్లోనే మొత్తం అనేది చెప్తున్నా సార్. కానీ నాకు సంబంధించింది అనేది మొత్తం అంతా కూడా సార్ నాది తెలుగు మీడియం ఉంది సార్. తెలుగు మీడియంలో ఉన్నప్పుడు షాక్ అయిపోయాను అసలు నేనైతే. అసలు తెలుగులో అసలు ఓకే ఎక్స్ప్లెయిన్ అనేది మీరు చాలా బాగా చేస్తున్నారు సార్. ఓకే టీచింగ్ అనేది బాగుంది సార్. కానీ అది కొంచెం మాకు కూడా తెలుగులో అనేది కూడా ఉంటే బాగుంటాయి కదా సార్. ఇప్పుడు 1 మెంబర్ మాత్రం అనేది కాదు కదా సార్. ఇప్పుడు స్టూడెంట్స్ కూడా ఉంటారు చాలా మంది ఇప్పుడు తెలుగు మీడియం స్టూడెంట్స్ అండ్ ఇంగ్లీష్ మీడియం వాళ్ళు కూడా. బేసిక్‌లీ అండ్ అర్థం అనేది చేసుకోగలుగుతారు. తెలుగు మీడియం స్టూడెంట్స్ అయినా గూడా. అండ్ సో కొంచెం అండ్ ఇట్స్ మై హంబుల్ రిక్వెస్ట్ సార్, ఆహ్, మీరు సాధ్యమైనంత వరకు అనేది కొంచెం నాకు మీతో ఈ ఈ మెయిన్ ఇంపార్టెంట్ క్వెషన్స్ అనేది మీతో ఆహ్, చెప్పించుకోవాలని ఉంది సార్. అంటే మీరు దీన్ని ఎక్స్‌ప్లెయినింగ్ అనేది తెలుగులో చేయడానికి అడుగుతున్నాను సార్. ఇది సార్ నా యొక్క క్వెషన్ అనేది. అంతే సార్.
సి మీ మీ క్వశ్చన్స్ని యూనివర్సిటీ వాళ్ళతో మాట్లాడతాను. బికాజ్
అదే సార్. ఎందుకంటే అందరి పెయిన్ అనేది అర్థం చేసుకోవాలి కదా సార్. అందు గురించని నేను చెప్తున్నాను సార్. లేకపోతే నేను అడగకుంటుండే సార్.
ప్లీజ్ నన్ను
జస్ట్ లైట్‌గా అనేది
మాట్లాడనివ్వండి.
వదిలేస్తుండే.
ప్లీజ్ నన్ను
ఓకే సార్. ఓకే
మాట్లాడనివ్వండి.
సార్.
మాట్లాడనివ్వండి నన్ను ఫస్ట్.
ఓకే.
మీ
ఓకే
కన్సర్న్స్
సార్.
అన్ని
ఓకే.
యూనివర్సిటీ వాళ్ళతో మాట్లాడతాను ఈరోజు. ఓకే. సో
షూర్ సార్. ఓకే. ఓకే.
వాళ్ళు ఏదైనా మీకు ఇన్ఫర్మేషన్ అనేది మీకు అఫీషియల్గా పంపిస్తారు. ఓకేనా?
ఓకే.
అండ్ నాకు వచ్చిన సర్క్యులర్ ప్రకారం ఏంటంటే నాకు ఇంగ్లీష్లో చెప్పాలని సర్క్యులర్ ఇచ్చారు నాకు. సో
ఓకే సార్.
నాకు
ఓకే.
యూనివర్సిటీ ఎక్కడ నాకు తెలుగులో చెప్పాలని నాకు చెప్పలేదు. ఓకే.
ఓకే సార్. ఓకే. ఓకే.
బికాస్ సి నా కన్సర్న్ ఏంటంటే సబ్జెక్ట్ నేను ఎలాగో చెప్తున్నాను. అది తెలుగు ఇంగ్లీష్ అనేది యూనివర్సిటీ డిసైడ్ చేస్తుంది.
అవును సార్. అవును సార్.
ఓకే.
అది కూడా
కొన్ని
ఫ్యాక్టే
మీరు
సార్.
పర్సనల్‌గా అడిగే రిక్వెస్ట్ ఏంటంటే అది నేను ఇప్పుడు యాస్ పార్ట్ ఆఫ్ ద యూనివర్సిటీ నేను రిప్రజెంట్ చేసేది.
అవును
సో
సార్.
నేను పర్సనల్ అయితే నేను మీ క్వెషన్ నేను అడ్రెస్ చేయగలుగుతాను.
అవును
బట్
సార్.
బట్ డోంట్ వరీ, అందరి డౌట్ అదే ఉంది కాబట్టి నేను యూనివర్సిటీ వాళ్ళతో మాట్లాడతాను వన్స్. మీరు కూడా మీరు యూనివర్సిటీ ఎవరైతే డిపార్ట్మెంట్ హెడ్స్ ఉన్నారో వెళ్ళి కలవండి ఒకసారి. దెన్ యూ టేక్ ఎ
ఓకే.
పర్మిషన్. You take a permission. I don't have any problem to teach in Telugu or English or another language.
ఓకే. ఓకే.
Because I'm a trainer. I'm not a university
ఓకే.
official. So నా క్వశ్చన్
ఓకే.
మీకు,
ఓకే.
నా కన్సర్న్ మీకు అర్థమైంది అనుకుంటా.
యెస్ సార్. యెస్ సార్.
So these questions, please, this platform is for teaching the subject, but you people are asking so many questions, and for other students, it's giving problem. Uh, so
ఓకే సార్.
you please approach the university on this point.
సార్
Okay.
యాక్చువల్లీ నేను చాలా సార్లు గూడా వచ్చాను. వచ్చినప్పుడు కొద్దిగా కొంచెం నెగ్లిజెన్సీ గూడా ఉంది సార్. కానీ
No. See,
నాకు వదిలేసాను సార్.
stop. This platform is for teaching the subject. So any questions,
ఓకే.
you go and meet the university, no problem. They will solve the problem. The university is there to solve the problem. Okay. You don't worry. Go and approach them. Go and approach them. Okay.
ఓకే సార్. ఓకే
Okay.
సార్.
Good luck.
థ్యాంక్ యూ.
So the session is only 10:30 to 11:30 actually. I have another class again. But the next class, I will try to ask the university on the medium Telugu or English, because another people are there, they don't understand Telugu. Again, they
సార్
need in the
సాధ్యమైనంత వరకు నెక్స్ట్ టైమ్ అనేది తెలుగులో అనేది ట్రై చేస్తే ఆల్మోస్ట్ అందరికీ గూడా తెలుస్తదని
yeah.
అనుకుంటున్నాను సార్.
Please don't prolong the discussion because we are taking a lot
రిక్వెస్ట్‌గా
of time here.
అడుగుతున్నాను సార్.
Yes, definitely.
ఇప్పుడు మాకు ప్యాటర్న్ గూడా ఇప్పుడు ఇంగ్లీష్‌లో ఉంది అండ్ తెలుగులో గూడా ఉంది సార్. అండ్ సో దాని రిలేటెడ్‌గానే అడుగుతున్నాం సార్. ఎందుకంటే మాకు తెలుగులో అనేది చెప్తే మేము ఇంగ్లీష్‌లో అయినా కన్వర్ట్ కూడా చేసుకోవాలి.
Don't prolong the discussion, please. Don't prolong the discussion.
ఓకే
మీరు
సార్. ఫైన్
యూనివర్సిటీ
సార్.
వాళ్ళు మాట్లాడండి ప్లీజ్. యా.
ఓకే సార్. థ్యాంక్ యూ సార్. థ్యాంక్ యూ సో వెరీ మచ్.
So next class, I will try to complete the important topics. I will take it from the university heads, and I will ask them to whether to explain in Telugu or English. I will ask them. If they give me permission, then I will teach in both languages, or else in one language. And I will address the next class with all important your questions. So what are the questions you have? You ready with them? I will answer all those questions in Telugu or English or any other language. Okay, just now, as of now, whatever we understood, you please go through that. If any doubt you have, then you please write it on paper and you keep it before the class. And in the class, please don't discuss with me no any other questions. Only subject we will discuss. Other people are they are feeling it is a the discussion is not important here. So we have to respect the other people's opinion also here. Please be ready with all the questions for the next class. Okay. Thank you all guys. We'll meet in next class again.
Thank you, sir. Thank you.
Yeah, guys. Okay. Thank you very much.
Thank you.
పెట్టేసి ఉంటుంది సరే చేయలేవా ఉమ్.